Hi there, handbaggers, and welcome to the Duck's Nest. This is the Military Mom, and in this video, I'm going to continue with my theme of sharing with you the must-haves for my collection, and again, continuing on with the satchel theme. I have 3 unboxings to share with you, so let's go ahead and get started. This first unboxing is, I think this is actually from the Coach Boutique. So of course they packaged it nicely. Put it in its dust bag. And it is a Dreamer. So this is the second Dreamer satchel in my collection, and I think we're all familiar with the Dreamers, so I'm not going to go into a lot of detail. Of course, she comes with the shoulder strap that is adjustable and attached with the dog clips. This particular Dreamer is in the color Saddle, and here is a closer look at her outside pocket panels, because these are both, of course, pockets. Dreamer is lined in, this actually feels like cotton, like it may be cotton, but she is not a piece from the 1941 collection. I think I'm actually in love with these Dreamers. So there is the first, and I will tell you later why this Dreamer was a must-have. So we will move on to the next unboxing. And this is an item that came from eBay, pre-loved, and when I show you all the corners, you will know that she is pre-loved. This is how the seller packaged her. This, of course, is the Dooney Bourke Chelsea shopper from the, I don't know if it's the Tessuta collection or if they actually call this bag Tessuta, but let me bring it in so that you can see her texture. She, of course, has collapsible rolled handles. Her shoulder strap is not detachable. She is covered where it counts in leather, her base and her corners. Let me just show you her corners. And this may be one of the most disappointing eBay purchases that I have made from the perspective of cornerware. But I have another bag to show you that disappointed me a little as well. That will probably be in a second video. Let me just show you her interior. Is she stuffed? Yes. This is her interior. She does have the center zip. So standard Dooney setup, a zip and a slip on one wall, and on the other wall, two slips, one secured with a snap. And the seller left me a little present because in the larger slip pocket, I have about 5 hair ties, rubber bands, hair bands that I obviously don't need. I think they were just left in there. And this is her center zip. She's overall a clean bag. There were no stains or anything. As you can see, she has the webbed key keeper. No stains there. So she was a pretty clean bag, but there were a couple of disappointments in addition to her corners. There's a bit of a discoloration. Can you all see it there? And I really don't know where that came from because it's not a water spot. I don't know. Again, this bag is pre-loved, so it is definitely in a pre-loved condition, and I will share after the last unboxing why this Tessuta shopper from Dooney Bourke in the Chelsea silhouette was a must-have for my collection. And this is the final unboxing. I have to be careful because this box is full of peanuts. Which I am going to have to dump somewhere. Okay, I have uncovered this little item. Trying not to spill all the beans. This is also an item that I picked up from eBay. And this is a Michael Kors. They're calling this the large east-west clutch. And this is cute. You turn the lock there and it opens. And then this was new with tags. And here is the dust bag. And it does come with a wristlet and a chain strap. So let me show you how it looks closed. And then I don't think there's anything in here, but I haven't opened it, so yeah, I think that's just filler paper with the silica packets. And then the wristlet. And the care booklet. And then the wristlet, you'll see has, what is it, 6 credit card slots, and there's no additional organization in the pouch for the wristlet. And the wristlet fits in the clutch, so she comes with her own wallet. I don't think I have that sitting in there properly. So here's how it looks. And then again, it closes with this turn. And let me just show you how it looks. There. So the theme for these items is woven. I had to add some woven leather pieces to my collection. I did not have any. So here's the story behind that. Once upon a time when the Bombay stores existed, I don't know if you all will remember the Bombay stores. They sold like really nice furniture that you put together yourself, and they sold a lot of home goods, higher end home goods. I used to work for them, and I remember this woman walking into the store, and she had the most beautiful woven, it was a satchel, but it was a big satchel, and it was woven. It didn't have a woven texture. It was actually woven leather. And when she moved around the store, you could hear it, you could smell it. I was hooked. So I decided that I needed some woven pieces, and actually that's where this Chelsea came. That's why I purchased this Chelsea, because I looked at other designers, specifically Patricia Nash, and she has some beautiful woven pieces. But I figured if I was going to add woven to my collection, it would have to be the Tessuta. And what I really wanted was not the Chelsea silhouette, but this woven Tessuta also was made in an east-west like shoulder bag. That's really what I wanted. But the best price was this one. I picked this bag up for $170, and there are other Tessuta shoppers in the Chelsea silhouette on eBay, and they were averaging $350. So yeah, I knew that there was some corner wear, but I wasn't really concerned because overall the strips of leather are all intact. So there, even though there are those few dark spots on the back and a little bit of corner wear, this bag, as you saw with the interior, it was in pretty good condition. So 170 in this condition versus 350, they were also pre-loved. I picked this one up. I'm not a great fan of this silhouette, but I have another Chelsea shopper in the DB print with the black background with the multicolored DBs, and I do reach for it occasionally. I do use it. So because I thought the coloring on this bag was so versatile, and I really like the combination of the colors, I decided that because it was Dooney Bourke and this is a duck's nest, I needed this particular bag in my collection. So woven also carried over to this Dreamer from Coach. That texture on both the front and of course the back. This is, it's not straw. Maybe it is straw, you guys. I'm really not sure. It doesn't sound like straw. And if it is straw, it's been treated to where it's extremely soft. It's not rough like straw usually is. It's not hard at all. Let me see if I can show you. Can you see how flexible it is, how it bends? So the only thing with this one, I'm gonna have to be careful that I don't catch it on anything. But once my bag band is over, I may add one more Dreamer to my collection. There is a black on black Dreamer in pebble and smooth leather. Everything about the bag is black. And I let that bag get away from me and I'm kicking myself. I wish I had gotten it because then my Dreamer collection would be complete. But here is the woven from Coach. And then I didn't feel like I needed a Michael Kors woven. This just caught my eye and I thought it was really cute. I knew that I would use this, and I love the larger weave with the different shades of blue in this piece. So this piece, new with tags, was $97. And I absolutely, uh-oh, I think I have the MK upside down. Yeah, I absolutely will use this. Even if I don't use it as a cross body, the strap detaches and I can use this actually as a wallet. I don't know if it's, I suppose I can use it as a clutch as well, but I was mainly thinking of it as a crossbody and a wallet. The interior is not different shades of blue, as you can see. It's all like that light blue, and then there is no weave on the wristlet whatsoever, but this wristlet is what sold me. When I saw this, I was like, that's like a complete set. I could just throw my items in here and I'm good to go. So there is the Michael Kors that snuck up on me, but I can tell you all, of these three pieces, this is my favorite, this is my second favorite, and then the Tessuta is my third favorite. So there you have it, handbaggers, the Military Mom's must-have satchel collection with woven leather. Yeah. So thanks for dropping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. There are more hatchlings to come, of course. As always, happy carrying.